Hi, and welcome back, guys. My name is Daniel. As you guys know, since the pandemic has started, more and more people are working and studying from home, like me. I teach English online, and people use applications like Zoom and Skype for conference calls or to have lessons with their teachers or to talk with their coworkers and friends. And one of the things that's really important for me, and maybe for you as well, is to have a webcam. Decent or good webcam prices have suddenly skyrocketed due to the demand for this product, or because sellers are taking advantage of the situation. Now, today we are going to take a look at how you can have a 1080p resolution 60 frames per second webcam alternative at a budget price. For my setup, I'm using the Yi Action Cam, which you can purchase on Lazada for only 2,199 pesos, or if you can find a better deal, then buy it. It's a really good camera. This camera is not designed to be used as a webcam, but does the job pretty well. I have been using my Yi Action camera as a webcam for about 11 months now with no problems. The Yi Action Cam has a 16 megapixel Sony sensor, a 155-degree ultra-wide angle glass lens, and an f2.8 aperture, also a 1010 milliampere rechargeable battery. Now, it does come with a mini HDMI port, so that's something that you need to consider. You need to buy a mini HDMI port to a regular HDMI output, which is also available on Lazada for about 100 pesos or less. It uses a standard USB port for charging. So it's a good webcam. It produces really good clear images, as you guys see from my videos. It's pretty decent, and you can also either choose a black one or a white one. I'm really happy with this, and if you don't have any conference calls or if you're not going to be using it as a webcam, you can also use it outside to capture whatever you want, like if you want to do some vlogging or to take a video of something. So it connects to your phone via Wi-Fi and also via Bluetooth. Now, how do we connect our action cam to our computer? We actually need to purchase what we call a capture card. So this is the exact same one that I got, which is a USB capture card, which easily enough can be purchased on Lazada as well for only 389 pesos, but of course there is a standard delivery fee. Now, this generic capture card can be plugged into any USB port on your desktop or laptop and will work without any additional software. It's basically plug and play, and it will work on Windows, Android, and Mac OS. Now, this capture card can handle a maximum resolution of up to 4K and support maximum output resolution up to 1080p, unfortunately. So if you do want to stream, only 1080p is the maximum resolution. No separate power supply is needed. You just need to plug it in and you're good to go. Next is the mounting system. You can use any mini tripod or any tripod that you have, or you can just simply place it on a flat surface. But if you really want to place it in a good location, of course, it has to be in front of you. So I recommend getting an articulating friction arm, which you can clamp on something or even behind your monitor. The one I'm using is an Undoer 11-inch stainless steel arm, which is a bit pricey, and I got it for 1,104 pesos. But there are alternatives that are much more affordable. The one that I saw that's pretty reasonable price is probably around 500 pesos, or if you can find anything cheaper, just browse through Lazada. The quality may not be as good since it's going to be made out of plastic, but I'm very sure that it will do the job decently. The reason I purchased an all steel arm is because I do plan to upgrade my camera to a mirrorless DSLR very soon to replace my Yi Action Cam, which will provide a higher quality image, and of course I can use it for making better quality video for you guys. So that's something to talk about in the near future. Now, I can show you different ideas on how you can mount your articulating friction arm. This clip, I'm mounting it on my table. Very easy. Or if you have a tripod for your, I don't know, for your ring light. One thing that is important to know, the clamp itself has a maximum opening of about 2.5 inches. So that is something that you really need to consider about. So the arm comes with a 1/4 screw on the other end. I think like that's pretty standard for most cameras. I don't really know what it's called. Like the thread size is 1/4. And here is how I have mine mounted at the back of my monitors, and I have the capture card plugged in into an extended USB hub on the back of my table. Very easy, very simple. So once you have it set up, you have the camera plugged into the capture card, your computer will automatically detect the camera or the capture card. So let's open up Skype and I can show you that it's automatically detected. So the USB video is the one that you need to choose. So this is the setting for Skype. So let's open up Zoom and I'll show you that it's also automatically detected. So if you go to settings, video, and USB video right here, and it will be detected by Zoom and Skype. And that is it, guys. So that is my current setup that I use for teaching English online, for conference call, or making Skype or Zoom calls with people that I know. Okay, so it's a really nice budget alternative instead of buying an expensive webcam. And one of the things that I really like about it is the wide angle. Now, if you're not a fan of the wide angle kind of thing, there are software that you can use to crop the video, like I'm using NVIDIA Broadcast, so I can actually crop it really close to my face, and that's what my students see. So there are alternatives, and it doesn't have to be such a wide angle like this. But for me, I really like the wide angle. Okay, so I hope you guys got some good ideas or tips in this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. And as always take care and always stay safe. Peace out.